Women of Africa, the living goddesses, crowned in grace. Their wombs, a sanctuary of life, the cradle of nations. From them, humanity is daily reborn and nurtured. Their breasts, a fountain of life, warm and divine, feeding the future, one sacred line at a time. With hands kissed by the sun, they coaxed life from the soil. Their labor sings of abundant harvest. From the soil to their baskets, cocoyam, vegetables, and other life-giving foods. Their presence, blossom. Their embrace, home, a comfort to men, women, and children through life's darkest night. They walk with grace, yet never bowed, their beauty commands, their courage proud, bridging families and communities. In marriage, in kinship, their spirit responds. Strong, yet gentle, bold, yet respectful too, their beauty shines like morning dew. Courageous and hospitable, a force clothed in femininity, yet deeply profound. Their femininity, a strength that never grows old. To speak of them is to speak of life, of birth, of nurture, of strength through strife. Oh, women of Africa, divine, an enduring flame, living goddesses, a treasure to behold.